What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I wanted to make another video about the Merch Titans automation app. Now if you guys aren't using this, then you're going to get left behind in the dust when it comes to print on demand, because I'm going to show you how I can use a single spreadsheet with my product information in it to upload to Amazon Merch through the new beta uploader. But before we do that, I just wanted to point out that you can also upload to Printful, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, TeePublic, Teespring, and Zazzle all at the same time from the same spreadsheet. So if I make one new design, I can push it to all those platforms at the push of one button. It's truly that simple, and I'll continue to drop these videos over time. I'm still, learning the application myself, and I have confirmed that all of those applications, all those platforms can be pushed to simultaneously from the same spreadsheet. But right now I wanted to show how awesome it is that you can push to the new Amazon Merch beta uploader. Alright guys, so now that we're logged in, you'll see it go to work on the new beta uploader. So while it's working, let me just talk you through how this is working. So it's going to upload to all products for me on all marketplaces. I seeded it with the prices that I wanted it to be sold at. And here's what's really cool, and this is why, if you're thinking, but the beta uploader is so easy to use, why would I use software to assist me? This will convert my design to the hoodie dimensions for me. I don't have to do that as an extra step. And it'll convert my English to German for the German marketplace. I mean, think about how amazing what I just said truly is. Look at it right now. It's going down here. Converted the key product features and the description to German. So it's just packed full of, and also, I mean, guys, selecting colors, for instance, that takes forever. This will do it all for you. So it's a no-brainer. I mean, by the way, my hands are off. If I was typing or clicking, you'd hear it, you'd see it. My hands are off while this works. So this should be, I keep saying it, a no-brainer. A lot of people doing print on demand are living in 2019, but if you're using Merch Titans automation, you're living in like 2022. You're years ahead. And eventually people will all catch up, I'm sure. Like, this will become more and more commonplace. But right now, if you're seeing this video, it's still pretty much kept under wraps. And it's not intentional. If you use my link in the description to sign up for Merch Automations, it is an affiliate link. I'm excited to share this with you guys because it's such a great tool. And I've been using it on all these platforms. Never had any trouble with getting banned or anything like that. No issues whatsoever. It mimics, from the platform perspective, it mimics a human doing these interactions. But me as a web developer, I understand like actually what's happening here. And it's so brilliant that they pulled a team of developers together and pulled this off. So what you just saw is, I mean, I'm sitting here talking to you, not doing anything, and it just uploaded a single design to every single Amazon merch product supported in the beta uploader. Obviously not pop sockets. Didn't have to convert to sweatshirt, didn't have to convert to German. I seeded it with what colors I wanted. So what I'm going to show you here is how I configured my Amazon merch. By the way, there's an auto re-login feature in case you're doing like a ton of uploads all at once. It'll just log you back in, which Pretty Merch has as well, if you guys are familiar with that. But look, you can control the marketplaces, the products, and the product pricing. There's the colors. You can select up to 10 if you use the beta uploader. And yeah, I mean, guys, for those of you that are against this, I guess I should apologize, but this isn't going away. It's coming, whether you like it or not. So automation is the future of print on demand, and you can check out the Merch Titans automation tool right here in the description. Thanks guys for checking out this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. Please subscribe to me. Questions, feedback, hit me up in the comments or in my private Facebook group, and I'll see you at the next video.